Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Are you a big time trader? Do you like trading crypto but you're looking for a good platform to have lower fees and a lot of advantages, a lot of competitions, and you like to have a lot of rewards? Then stick around because this video will be talking about this platform, MXC Exchange. It will cover everything you need in the cryptocurrency industry if you want to trade, if you want to invest, if you want to trade futures. So we will talk about it in the next few minutes, but first of all, this video is only for educational purposes. It's not a financial advice, and without any further ado, let's just dive deep into it. So guys, here we are on the platform, MXC Exchange. MX, what's going on here and what to expect and how to start your way around trading over here? Well, first of all, one of the major advantages for using this platform would be the lowest fees and the highest profits. Of course, if you're new to trading or even if you're an experienced trader, you know that one paramount factor for your success in trading would be lower fees, because fees would be eating up a lot of your profits, and if you accumulate that a long time, then you would have to pay some severe amounts of money for fees. So here you're talking about 0% spot maker and taker fees and 0% future maker fee and 0.01% taker fee. So you're talking about probably one of the lowest, if not the lowest ever in the market in terms of fees. And here you can start by depositing your crypto. It's worth mentioning that here the level 1 KYC or the know your customer, you have to go through a process of just verifying yourself, just in case. I mean, that's a regulation kind of thing, and you would have to verify your identity. No documentation required, it's just verifying through your email and your phone number. So it's relatively easy, but you will have, of course, to verify. So the level 1 KYC would open the door for you to at least start trading with ease without any complications. So as you can see here, lowest fees, and you will have it on Apple, you can have it on Google Play, and you can have it of course on desktop, and you can go all the way up to 200x leverage on many tokens and coins. You know that the current standard would be 100x. Let's say Bitcoin, BTC would be 100x. That's the maximum leverage you can go. Sometimes you can find 125x, although it's extremely risky. But many people are risk takers, and many people can have enough confidence in their own analysis in the market, and they just can go for even 100 and plus leverage. But here you can have it up to 200x. Although I personally don't really recommend anyone to go over the leverage of 10x, but some people are very adventurous. Many people are just so talented in reading the market and predicting how the price will go in an instant. So that's a 200x for you. As you can see here, future leverage challenge 200x. You can have it in XLM, you can have it on Link, ARP, Matic, many more, and BTC, Ethereum, XRP, of course, Bitcoin Cash. You can have it on the major coins, and even some meme coins or some altcoins. You can have it here for 200x. Whether it will be suitable for you or not, that's of course up to you, and I'm telling you, me personally, I would just go for probably 10-15x maximum, but some people are well aware of what they're doing, and you have to do your own studies, of course, before taking such risks. As you can see here on the platform, you will have this snippet of everything put in front of you just for you as a trader to have a glimpse on the market, rather than just going to a different platform and just having to have a look at the crypto market cap or whatever. Here it's just in a very brief way in front of you, giving you the price, the current price, and the 24 volume in USDT. And of course you can just go here and trade this pair. You will have Bitcoin, you can have Ethereum, you can have XRP, PG, Planet USDT, you can have many coins, and here are the new listings. And it's also worth mentioning here, that's one of the #1 exchanges for first time listing, meaning that whenever there is a new coin and it's going through the process of being listed on major platforms, here you will most likely find it in an instant, because it's just attracting so many coins right now and putting in the database a lot of coins, major coins, smaller coins, new coins, trendy coins, meme coins, you name it, you will find it here. But of course this adds a layer of risk for you, because you would have to understand which coin are you trading and which coin are you investing in. So that's on your side as an investor, but here this facilitates for you that everything is at your fingertips, and whenever you want to invest in anything or trade anything, then you will find it here, or most likely will find it here as a #1 exchange for fast recognition of new coins. And also it's worth mentioning that they are having $5 million July future tradings competition going on right now with many winners every single day. So if you're a trader, if you want to compete, if you want to challenge your friends or acquaintances and they're also good traders, then you can challenge each other, and they're having over $5 million in July trading, and that's going right now. So seize this opportunity if you're confident enough in your own trading. So let's go and have a look at the trading over here. Let's go to BTC perpetual, for instance, and trade some Bitcoin. BTC of course stands for Bitcoin, and USD is USD. So of course here you will be welcomed by a little tutorial how to maneuver your way around and how to do things and how to just get to know the platform. But I would say it's pretty classic and in a very comfortable way, pretty much familiar to everyone who has any knowledge about trading. You will have the chart here. You can of course adjust it. You can just show the hollow candles. You can have it solid, you can have it line, you can have it bar. You can just adjust here as you want. Of course I prefer it solid, and I prefer the bullish to be green and the red to be bearish. Of course some people flip that, I don't know why, but some people do that. So you can have a lot of customization over here, and you can custom everything to your liking. So as you can see here, you will find open long and open short. Open long meaning that you're betting on the price to go in the upper direction or going in a bullish way, and open short meaning that you're betting that the price will go down, and here you will have this leverage. Let me just remind you that if you're new to trading, feel free to to go for isolated, or you actually have to understand what's the difference between isolated and cross. Cross means that you can go and literally suck up your whole account if you're in the wrong trade, but isolated mean that you're just getting into this trade with this amount of money. Let's say you have $100 and you want to enter a trade for only at $20, then this will take only isolated 20 and it will just not take anything further. But if you go for cross means that it will drain the whole account if things go wrong, and it can happen in trading. Of course it's a high risk high reward, so you will need to understand that and you need to do your own studies. And as you can see here, you can find your leverage. You can have it up to 200x leverage. Do I recommend it? Absolutely not. But I would say if you're well experienced and if you know what you're doing, then of course you can go for it. It's your money at the end of the day, and you would have to do your own studies before doing anything. But for me personally, I would say 10x is more than fine, especially with the current market condition. We're going sideways, so there is no much volatility. So somehow 10x seems to be in a very stable way. But if the market is just exploding towards the upside and just going bullish like crazy, then you can go probably a bit higher, but with caution that you can actually lose. So you can go isolated position with a smaller amount, and here you can type in the amount. You can go for the whole amount you have in the account, or of course you can adjust it as you need. So let's just go and open a trade over here. So you can have a quantity here, let's say 10% of the account. We can go for 10% only, so that's $20 or 19.9, and then you can go for a 20x leverage. I will just adjust it to 10x leverage and then confirm and then hit open long, and then you can just wait and see the magic happening, and bingo, we are currently filled and the order is filled, and then you can take profit around here, or you can even take profit around there. So taking profit is also one major thing that you have to pay attention to, that you need to adjust your take profit, and you will need to understand when to take profit, when to stop losses, when to say, okay, I entered the wrong trade and I just want to get out of that, and probably readjust my view about the market. But generally speaking here, things are pretty easy and pretty standard in terms of the layout, so it's very familiar for you. If you're a trader, or even if you're new to trading, you will figure it out in a jiffy. So here you will find that you can earn up to 9,100 in bonuses, and they are giving away also $250 in future funds to 2 people who sign up and make one trade through the link in the description. So you might want to seize this opportunity if you're a good trader, or if you're interested in trading and the market, as I'm telling you, is just starting to move right now. So it can be a good opportunity for you to start looking for entries in the market, so also you can have some bonus. So my humble advice for you is keep an eye on the market. The market is kind of moving, it's getting dynamic now, so it can be presenting a very good opportunity for you as an investor or as someone even interested in cryptocurrency. So now can be the time for you to start, slowly but steadily getting into the market, not with major amounts of money, but at least testing the water, see if the market is going in a very good way, or probably it's just a sideways movement and probably it will go down again. But this will highly depend on your analysis of the market and how things are going. But as you can see here, things are well laid out in front of you. You can just maneuver your way around, and the platform gives you everything you need at your fingertips, and it can also be downloaded as a mobile application, so you can go around on your phone through the day. If you see an opportunity in the market, you just go in, take profits, and that's it. Many people, I personally know, having good income with trading crypto. Many people also lost their money trading crypto. So there's an element of risk here, and there's an element of understanding. So you need to educate yourself. You need to understand what's going on in the market. You need to understand the risks and the rewards. And of course, at the end of the day, no risk, no fun, and high risk, high reward. But you need to be well aware of what's going on. So everything is linked down below in the description, and as you can see here, everything also is well laid out in front of you. So feel free to check it out and check their social media as well. And the platform is well known, has a good reputation, and many people are using it. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about MXC Exchange. Everything you need if you want to trade futures in crypto, of course. If you want to have advantages, if you want to have perks, if you want to have rewards, if you want to have lower fees, then definitely check this one out. Everything is linked down below in the description. Feel free to check it out, see what's going on, educate yourself more, understand it more, and then go for it, because the market is starting to move, the market is starting to explode, things are going exponentially high. So it might be the very beginning of a new bull run for crypto market. So it might be a good opportunity for you to start snatching for good platforms and brokers for your future tradings. So everything is linked down below in the description. And as usual, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave any comment you might have in the comment section down below, and until next time, bye bye.